Well, as we get into this afternoon, again, still adding up some of that rain from this past system here early on this morning. Dumped over 6 inches of rain in some spots at Columbia. Harrisburg right at 6 inches, almost 4 inches in Hallsville. So, again, you get this sense Boone County was the one taking this one pretty much on the chin pretty squarely. But 2 to 3 inches still enough to cause some issues in places like California, Mexico, over toward Audrain County. But we're gearing up for another round, and as we get into this afternoon, we're trying to stay away from some sunshine. Again, that's not normally the case, but out at that Indian Woods Tower Cam, we're doing okay hanging on to the cloud cover, and what that's going to do is try to limit that severe potential that we're tracking going into these next couple of hours. But unfortunately, again, looking at that satellite perspective, you can see a couple of things, one of which is those clouds trying to clear overhead of us right now. This is what's left of those storms early this morning. They've pushed out a little bit of a boundary, and this is the area we're going to be tracking for some redevelopment as we get into the next 1 to 2 hours here. So stay with us. We got a lot to track as we get into yet another round of showers and thunderstorms. Temperature-wise, though, as we get into that lunchtime, upper 70s, low 80s. If we push those numbers into the mid to some of us in the upper 80s, we are going to have a lot of juice to work with these storms. So that's why I'm saying we need to stay away from some of that. We've already got enough to flare up another round of storms. If we can add more degrees to that temperature into the next couple of hours before these storms fire, that's just more that they can feed off of as we get into this evening. Latest look at feature track, though. Again, expecting redevelopment here within the next couple of hours, and that'll stay with us as we get into 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Kind of expands in coverage and becomes more of a heavy rain problem as we get closer toward about midnight. And then as we get into the early morning hours, that is still going to be the biggest threat that we're tracking into our Saturday morning. In fact, enough so that I think we're going to be seeing some flash flooding. We've extended that weather alert day into tomorrow morning. Here's a look at those severe threats again as we get into our Friday. Some of these storms this afternoon into the evening could be packing some damaging straight line winds, some large hail, but flooding is still going to be the biggest problem that we're tracking going into late tonight, into tomorrow morning especially. We just do not have any more room to put any of that rain, but we're going to be tracking more of it. Unfortunately, it looks like as we get into Saturday, into Sunday, we got more chances for rain as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week, but doesn't look like it's going to be quite as widespread, at least at this time, but keep the umbrella handy as we get into next work week.